how artificial intelligence is leading the world into automation. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Future Focus. Today we're going to talk about AI and automation. If you're wondering what impact it will have on your life, watch it till the end. Now, before we begin, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then what are you waiting for? Hurry up and smash the subscribe button now. While you're at it, hit the bell icon to never miss out on any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we talk about anything, let's clearly understand the meaning of artificial intelligence and automation. When any machine performs tasks that would usually require human intelligence is called artificial intelligence. Automation is when machines replace humans to perform any task. So these two are quite different. For example, Grammarly is a site that corrects your grammar online through its software. For that, it uses artificial intelligence, where some humans had programmed the grammar rules. Automation would be when most grammar tutors or editors are replaced by such software. Within this short period of a few years, AI has developed and reached out to the mass at another level. We see it everywhere and replacing human jobs, particularly because of the pandemic situation. The human workforce needs to sit at home and be in quarantine while they work at the office. So technology has been the only way to keep things going. Several have realized the value of AI and implemented it in their businesses or jobs. The most evident of it all is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that uses historical data to create algorithms. These algorithms don't need to be specifically programmed and can easily outcomes accurately. The best example of this would be when we get recommendations in YouTube videos. According to that, YouTube analyzes past watches and whatever we subscribe to, and then it gives us recommendations on our home pages. So now machine learning is being used by many businesses like security monitors and auditors to enhance their operational efficiency and reduce human load. The next big thing that AI has automated is data analytics. Now a lot of routine work like data reporting and filling up forms etc. is being done by machines. This frees humans who have specialized in data analytics to focus on areas that require human intelligence examples, deeply analyzing the data and predicting its outcomes. It's just not the service sector that has benefited from artificial intelligence now. There is this concept of smart factories coming up. Manufacturing certain products has always been very dangerous for humans. So these factories use machine labor to produce and pack products that otherwise would be very harmful and dangerous for humans to do so. A lot of businesses that involve or use hazardous chemicals have replaced unskilled labor for machines for the task of extraction and production. These were all the big changes now. We are going to talk about the small changes that have been made through AI. For example, a machine could fill up the forms and make recommendations for a workflow solution. Still, when we use artificial intelligence, we can remove the gatekeeper auto-human that extracts the information. This makes work more efficient as well. Slowly, the work of monitoring AI would also be done by AI. Machine learning makes it possible for the software to analyze the unstructured data and records to optimize its output accordingly and make the necessary corrections. Another thing we can increasingly see is the detection of trends. Everyone must have heard of Google Trends and so much other software just like that. This uses AI to analyze searches and activities to structurally come up with the current trends in the whole world or a specific location. This is used in business as well to analyze the risk involved ahead. This so far required human effort to research and compile, but a well-written and executed program can do that in minutes. Anything that requires a high volume of labor and effort but is not very complex simultaneously requires a lot of time, and an AI bot can easily do a high level of inaccuracy. Softwares that make and rectify basic legal contracts are an appropriate example. As we can see, AI replaces many jobs initially performed by humans, but this gives rise to new jobs which specialize in AI and other fields. Humans can also give more attention to creativity and focus on creating more art, stories, films, etc., and enjoy the fine part of life. Hence, automation may have shortcomings, but they can be overcome easily with the correct preparation. So that's it for today, guys. Please let us know what you thought about the video in the comments below. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with all your friends. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye.